Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the Samsung smartwatch. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to on these devices, how to actually hard reset, meaning while the device is off, we're going to access a special menu that is going to allow us to actually wipe the device. Alright, so in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to identify the buttons. This is home or power. This is the back button. All right, you can know the difference. Notice the red for the power or home button. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and press both buttons as seen here. Keep holding no matter what appears on screen. As soon as you see rebooting, you're gonna press the home or power button repeatedly. All right, so as soon as you see that screen just now that says starting or rebooting or whatever it said, when you hold both buttons, you're gonna keep pressing this button repeatedly at that first screen. So first screen after rebooting by pressing both, keep pressing this button repeatedly. All right, it's gonna end up in this screen. Now you're gonna know you're at the right screen because it's gonna have some options. You can use either button to select. Just to be safe, use the lower button. It will cycle through the options. Options are continue, recovery, download wireless, or power off. All right. Now, in order to factory reset, you're gonna go to recovery. If you do not have this menu and a different menu, it means you're in the wrong screen. If you press the wrong button, it will take you to another mode. All right, such as if you press this button here. So just in case you end up in a menu that's not like the one described here or shown here, simply do it again by rebooting the system or turning off the device and starting over. All right, so once you see recovery, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna use this to select. So by single pressing either button, it will move through the options, and by long pressing the home button, it will select. So we're gonna go ahead and select recovery. So as you can see there, that's the second option, just beneath continue. All right, notice it's gonna recover. It's gonna go to recovery mode. It's starting up. All right, so we're now in the special mode that's made for recovery. All right, so as you can see here, this is the device's recovery mode or the watch's recovery mode. Now the options here, we're gonna use both buttons to move. To be safe, you can use this one to cycle down. So I'm gonna tell you the options. To select, you're gonna press and hold. All right, so the options are, as you can see here, they are reboot system now. They are reboot system now. There is apply updates from ADP, apply updates from SD card, wipe data and factory reset. Notice it tells you there that it will wipe data or factory reset. In this case, make sure that you back up your phone from before. All right, and notice it says that you are to. In this menu, the navigation is you can swipe to move, or you can use left to right to select. Either left or right to select and swipe. You can swipe to move. All right, so this is the option we want that says wipe factory data reset. If you want to continue seeing the menus, continue by pressing the lower button. Notice it says wipe cache partition, so you can actually wipe the cache of the watch. Or of course, we can continue. We have view recovery logs, we have run graphics tests, run local tests, or we can power off. All right, so just in case you missed it, you can go to factory data reset. Notice as well, if your Google account is associated, it will ask you for this in setup process when you do the wipe. All right, so here we go. So just in case you want to wipe, so it is, if you want to move, you continue to swipe up or here to move on. And if you want to actually wipe, and I'm not going to do it on this device, I'm going to show you what to do. Either swipe to the left or swipe to the right to select. So if I wanted to do the factory reset, I swipe to the left or swipe to the right. It will then run through the process, wipe the device. So for you, go ahead and swipe right or left. As for me, I'm going to reboot my system. So after you're finished, when you swipe to the right or swipe to the left, you're going to get back here. Then you're going to simply select reboot system now. All right, and here's the option to reboot system now. So I'm going to move down and then I'm going to select reboot system now. There you go. For you, it will wipe your device and it will start back up. Do not worry if it take a little while on the first boot. Just simply give it some time. All right, so I'm ending the tutorial here. Do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.